Welcome to my tutorial. My name is Dorothy. Yeah, today we are going to learn something, and in that very something, we are going to learn about Gmail. And in Gmail here, we are going to learn more on the Gmail account, and we are going to allow you to look for Gmail. Listen to Gmail. Yes. Something. Yeah. Allow it to open for that case. So Gmail is opening.